Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. Today in this video, I am going to talk about research proposal. So let us start learning of research proposal with the question, what is a research proposal? A blueprint of future activities of research project. Some sort of preconceived framework for starting the activities. It deals with the ideas of researcher about what research she want to do, what objectives and methodology she has set, how much time and resources are required to complete it, how the research findings are to be reported, and so on. So, definitions. It is a document written by a researcher that provides a detailed description of the proposed program. It is the outline of the entire research process. It is a written document specifying what the investigator purposes to study. Now, need. What is the need? Why you are interested? So, it is prerequisite for degree. Needs approval from the committee to start the work. It conceives the project. It impresses the senior as a potential researcher. It serves as a contract between the researcher and founder, and personal interest, of course. Now, purposes. It gives an opportunity to think through the project, provides an outline to guide through the research process, let department or faculty know about the plan, helps the department to choose an appropriate supervisor. It gives an opportunity to receive feedback from academic community as well as possible funder. Undergraduate and graduate students submit proposal to their dissertation committee for approval. So, how to translate your written notes into a paper? Write an introduction. This section is like a mini literature review. Written in present, always in present tense. Write a method section. This section deals with how you will collect data or information, written in future tense. Then write a results sections, and this section deals with how you will analyze your results, written in future tense. Now, important information for writing. Always structure the work in advance. Know what you want to say before writing. Every sentence must contain one idea only. Each sentence must follow logically from the before chain of the ideas. Write in a way that is easy to read. Use simple language. Check spelling and grammar. Do not cut and paste from articles. Now you can see the process. Select a topic, narrowing the topic, formulating the research objective, outlining the key literature, deciding on work, plan for data analysis, proposing a format, developing timeline. Now, proposal content, abstract, statement of problem, significance of the problem, background of problem, objectives, hypothesis, conceptual framework, methodology, work plan, personal facilities budget, and title. So, step by step you can write. So, title first. It must be specific and concise, less than 20 words. It includes variable populations and research questions. Example, effectiveness of SEAM on management of preeclampsia of staff nurse working in the maternity ward of PBMH. This is one example. In chemistry, I will take chemistry example. So abstract, this include an outline of your proposal, frame of reference for the reviewers, research question or hypothesis, research methods, and symptom. It should be brief within 200 words. A statement of the problem. Identify early in the proposal. Problems should be realistic, practical, feasible, and significant. A broad and complex problem must be avoided. Now, significance of the problem. Why is this work important? What are the implications of doing it? How does it link to other knowledge? Background of a study. A review of relevant literature. Background material should strengthen author's arguments, orient the reader to what is already known about the problem, and demonstrate the researcher command on current knowledge related to your work. Now, objectives. It should be specific, realistic, achievable. Objective statement as research hypothesis to be before. Objective stated in a specific model to be tested or before. So method, research approach, setting for the study, population under study, sample and sampling technique, and pilot study. Method, data collection, data analysis, result presentation, dissemination of result, and ethical considerations. Now, work plan. It is a sequence of tasks, a step-by-step plan within time frame. It is usually presented in tabular or graphics form. Now, personnel. Key project personnel should be described. Researcher competencies of project directors should be stated. Now, facilities. Documents the facilities required for the project, physiological instrumentation, libraries, computers, willingness of institutions, and special documents and record. Now, budget. Translate the project activities into monetary term, allocation of expenses in different activities, well-conceived work plan, facilities, preparation of budget. Now, format. Front page, title, name of the researcher, department. Second page, content. Third page, abstract. Fourth and sixth page with bold heading, introductions, literature review, hypotheses, methods and materials, data analysis, and last page reference, not more than 10. Now, do and don't do. Does and do nots. Do means produce, prepare a professional looking proposal, making it interesting, make it informative, meaningful, write easy way to read, present content in a page, use clear heading, subheading, be concise, precise, check spelling, grammar, present in accurate, acceptable format. Now, do nots. Use no word which you do not understand. Use of difficult word unimpressive to the researcher, supervisor, and authority. Here, not word. So there is no way to get experience except through experience. If you write, then you will have the experience. So thank you.